Yes, welcome back guys, and welcome to Global Gift TV. Yes, I'll be showing you on how to earn free Satoshi coin. Can claim it every 60 seconds. I'm going to show you step-by-step process on how to do it. If you are into this channel, subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the bell notification button so YouTube can notify you anytime I post a new video. Okay, let's get started guys. Yeah, the name of the app is CoinPayu. Okay. You'll be getting free cryptocurrency. Okay. For you guys that are new to this site, let me show you how to register. Okay. Let me log out my account to show you how your account look like. Okay. Yes. Okay, this is how your account look like if you want to register. Where you can earn free cryptocurrency anytime, and you can also earn cryptocurrency watching YouTube videos, okay, for free. Okay, you can earn a lot of cryptocurrency from these sites. Okay, and they have many partners. You can claim any cryptocurrency. You can also claim free faucet coin too. Okay, yes, the first thing that you click on this join free, you fill out the details. Okay, after your details, you have to come to your page. You look like this. Okay, your page will look like this. Okay, now to do the tax is simple here. Just have to come here. You can click on any one of these. You can click on any of these. Okay, any one of these, can click on it. You can click on view ads, and view ads depend on the ads you want to watch. Okay, let's go for this one first. Okay, I'm going to give you the tax to do. We're giving tax to do. Okay, this first one I've already done it, so you not show the top. Okay, let's go to the second one. We'll be earning 8.7 Satoshi, and you must spend at least 60 seconds in this site. Okay, let's go to the link there to take you to another page entirely. Okay, take you to another page entirely. You have to spend at least 60 seconds in the page. Okay, yes, and this page is a new page given to us. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Okay, let's go back to the site. Okay, see, close that. You close the advertisement too soon. You have to go back to the site. Okay, make sure the 60 seconds is complete. It is complete. Okay, let's start again. You have to wait. Okay, this is also a cryptocurrency wallet. You can download, you can use it. but we are not here for that now. Okay, let's wait. Okay, almost time. Okay, let's go back to our let's see. We have earned 8.7 Satoshi. Okay, that is how to earn. And anytime you earn, the blue mark of the site is going to leave there. Okay, let's go back to the other ones. Okay, 17 Satoshi. Okay, yes, let's go to another ads there. Okay, going to window ads. So we are going to spend, okay, this one is 15 seconds. Let's go for this 15 seconds one. Okay, let me show you how it works. You have to be there for 16 seconds. Okay, 16 seconds too, 15 seconds. Okay, okay, let's stop this. Okay, next. Okay, you have to try again. Let's wait. Okay, let's try this one too. Okay, verify. Okay, let's go back to the site. Okay, we have 15 Satoshi coin before, and let's see how the coin maybe it have increased or not. Okay, let's wait. Okay, let's wait. The site is checking the other side. Maybe we have checked the site or not. Let's just wait. Okay, you also have to be patient. Okay, you have earned 4.1 Satoshi. Okay, this one have 8 ads. You can go on and do the ads. Okay, let's check the other one there, the article ads. Okay, this one you have to read some, but no, does not need to read. Okay, you have to go there and you claim your free Satoshi. Okay, click on any one of them. Okay, let's go back and check the time. 15 seconds. Okay, you can go on and read. Okay, if you don't want to read, you can just stay. You are done, just go back. So it automatically show on your dashboard. Okay, I don't know why. Let's try this again. Okay, just go on and check the other one. Okay, let's go to the offer one. The offer one is very simple. This one contains many one you can do. Anyone you are good in, you can choose it. Okay, to the ads. Okay, this survey you have to download this. Okay, and this will be earning 1000 Satoshi coin. Okay, you can go ahead and download it. Okay, but the one I preferred is this view ads, the first one. Okay, the first one, that one is soft ads. Okay, let's claim faucet coin. Okay, this coin can be claimed every 60 seconds, 60 minutes. Okay, 60 minutes you have to claim this coin. It's simple, just follow the step we're showing you. The first thing is that you have to follow them on Twitter. To claim, you click on this called claim. After that, you come here, when you see claim, you click on the claim. It has to show sometimes for you. Okay, you have to load, just have to wait. Okay, you have to solve the cash charts, your answer. Okay, enter the following. Said you have entered the following given to you. Okay, make sure it is correct. Speed time, spend time, spend. Okay, time. So that you click on this verify. Okay, you go down here, you click on claim, and you automatically claim the coin. Okay, have you see you have earned 4.88 Satoshi coin, and this one you can be claiming it every 60 seconds. Okay, every 60 minutes you can be claiming this. Every 60 minutes you can be claiming it. It's a free BTC. Okay, on how to withdraw BTC, I'll be showing you step by step on how to withdraw. But I have to watch this video to the end, because I'll be showing you some important things to know about this site. This one you can be claiming it every 60 minutes. Okay, you have to claim it every 60 minutes. You can also copy your referral link here. You have to copy your referral link. Copy your referral link. Okay, so that people can register from you under you. Okay, you can also go on to read how these sites fully work, because this video I cannot show you everything finished. Okay, you can go ahead and read about this site. Okay, let's go back to our dashboard. And how to withdraw, you click on this withdraw button here. You have to fill in your wallet address in your profile first. Okay, just go to your profile here. You have to fill the address, the wallet address. You have to put any of your coin you want to use to withdraw. Okay, let's use TRS. You have to put any TRS wallet there. Okay, click on next there. You're going to send a code to your email make sure the code is correct. Okay, the code that we sent to us for 15 minutes. Let's wait. Email to check the code. Okay, that you go to your email to put the code there. Okay, and click on confirm. Okay, your withdrawal account has successfully changed. Okay, you go to our dashboard here and click on this withdraw. You have the minimum you can withdraw. Okay, the amount to withdraw is 11,000 Satoshi coin. That means every day you have to come here to come and claim your coin. Okay, let's say you want to withdraw. Okay, to withdraw they have different one you can withdraw. Okay, to withdraw this TRS there, you have to have 4,000 Satoshi. Okay, in any crypto you want to withdraw, make sure you fill your wallet address. Okay, to withdraw TRS, you have to have 4,000 Satoshi. Okay, in this wallet if you can withdraw, it's simple as this. Okay, it's simple. Let's say you want to withdraw 4,000, then you'll be getting 12 TRS for free. We're not paying anything. Okay, we're not paying anybody. Okay, for Dodge, let's say you want to withdraw Dodge, you must have 3,000 Satoshi minimum. Okay, you can just go on and on to claim this free, especially claiming this one. Okay, claim this soft ads. They have many ads there with 3. That means in a day you can claim 1,000 Satoshi. Okay, you can claim 1,000 Satoshi, as you can withdraw. Okay, just go on and keep doing it. Just keep doing any one of it. But the one that pay fast is this offer. This offer, it pays. Okay, because it deal with survey. Just click on one. You see, complete surveys to earn, because you will be rewarded for each survey completed. Okay, you have to complete the survey given to you. Just click on this like this. Follow the simple step, please. Okay, please enter the again for your app. Okay, you have to download the app. Okay, most of you have to download the app and go on. I want to do check some of the sites. Okay, from this side you can earn free Satoshi coin. You can withdraw to any of your cryptocurrency wallet. Okay, you learned something in this video. Can drop a nice comment and make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Okay, thanks for watching. See my next video.